boys and girls, mums and dads, and all the rest. This is Ryan Crouse, York Storm Hunter. It's June 19th. It is 3:36 p.m. I'm just leaving Moseley, heading east right now. You are looking to the southeast. This day's been not exactly to what is planned, so now I'm going to push more southeast than my target, which was here.
In 800 meters, turn right onto Saskatchewan 617 South. Signs for Circle Square Ranch Youth Camp.
I try to salvage the day. Let's get our own. So pretty. It is 4:04 p.m. We're heading straight east. I'm now behind the storm. Weirdly enough, it's going kind of towards Whitewood, as you see on the screenshot. Whitewood-ish, probably be a little bit to the south. But I'm here, I'm behind it. That part kind of looks interesting. In front of us. Kind of right on the left side of the highway, there's, you probably won't be able to tell in the stream, I'm not sure, but there's kind of like a tightening underneath that white cloud. It's kind of looking interesting. So I'm just passing in through the town of Glenavon, that area I was talking about earlier. That's now right in the middle of the road and up. Not actual rotation, but it's showing something on the velocity scan on radar, and we are approaching it. So who knows? Maybe the day's not over yet. It's currently 4:09 p.m. We're heading east. 4:12 p.m. This storm is now severe warned. On the back edge of it, it's looking pretty. p.m. We are heading north, or looking north. Right now I'm on my way to Grenfell on this 47 grid. They call this a highway, but this is obviously a grid road. And right now my game plan is either chase the cell, that is obviously the one we've been following, or there's a storm just east of Regina right now. Just a tad east, which is to our west. I can either play along with that and try to catch up, so it'll be that way somewhere. Can't obviously see from here. So we will, I'll decide at Grenfell whether I'm going to be blasting west, northwest, or if I'm going to keep going east and play with the cell. So that is currently my game plan. 4:39 p.m. We are now looking straight west. I just pulled over to observe. That's the storm that we were following that was toward east. This is the storm, sort of the storm that's kind of, that I was talking about, that's towards Regina. I'm debating what is the better play, so I'm just going to check radar, figure some stuff out, and go from there. p.m. You are now looking west on number 1 highway, sort of heading back to Indian Head, where pretty much I started the day. This is the cell that's coming in from Regina, just a bit to the east of Regina, or as Google would say, Regina or Regina or whatever it is. Anyways, actually looks pretty pretty. Let's hope it works out. 4:55 p.m. We're just entering Moseley. It's looking pretty. Very pretty. So like I said, once again, my goal is I'm not going to go all the way to Indian Head. I might drop south a little bit because the storm's coming right to us. That way I can, you know, stay on the south side of it. To the left there, amongst the trees, somewhere, there's a kind of a base forming on that system. see if I can catch the wall cloud or possible wall cloud on my video camera. My bar might be in the way. I actually see a I don't know if it's showing up on here. There's a 100% chance that there's a funnel cloud right now. Funnel cloud. That is a tornado on the ground. You probably can't see it on the broadcast. Tornado warning. Tornado on the ground, ladies and gentlemen, live on Severe Studios. Oh my gosh. Ooh, wild lightning. Here we are, it's 5:23 p.m. We just finished watching a tornado that was a time lapse for approximately 17 minutes. It does now look like it's been lifted. I'm sitting like just south of Sintaluta by like half a kilometer. It has been followed into Environment Canada. It's still looking really nice on radar. There's still rotation showing. So we're gonna keep observing. It's so weird. It looks like there's still something there. The system looks like it's definitely still trying. Gotta keep observing. Exactly the same spot. It's 5:32 p.m. Something's wanting to play, other than the mosquitoes. It's 5:35 p.m. now. Still looking interesting. You guys seen that? Let me just try zooming in one for you. I don't want to do too much because it becomes blurry. But that definitely looks like a lowering once again. I'll keep my vehicle on just so my wipers run. Oh, I should plug my anemometer and see what it's reading. They're really picking up out there. "75 gust winds." Holy mackerel. This is 5:47 p.m. I am currently recording 70, 73 gusts, 80, 83, 93 kilometer an hour. These are all on my anemometer. Same area, it's 5:50 p.m. I think it's still trying to bowl, as you see. Harder on the stream, but on my video it's easier. I think I'm going to drop south. I don't really know if I'll get a better view, but the storm is going to pass through me and I'm going to be on the north end of it. Alright, so it's 5:59 p.m. I had another brief funnel, so I'm pulling over to observe. I was just heading south towards, I think it's called Mortimer or some town like that. I didn't get very far, like 6 miles. Looks like a big bowl trying to form. Sure looked like it's trying to drop a bowl there. Looks like another funnel in progress. It is 6:17 p.m. This is the east side of the storm now. I figured I'll just turn around and observe. Looks very pretty. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's 6:29 p.m. We are looking to the west. This is the same cell that produced that tornado earlier. We're between Carry the Kettle and Sintaluta. Just thought I would kind of show it to you. It's falling apart, obviously, but nice with the sun. Looks pretty. Would have been pretty cool to have a tornado with the background of a sun there. Almost had it. Well, in a way we had it, but yeah, just figured I'll show that to you. So it's 7:53 p.m. I'm on my way home. I am kind of between, I don't even know exactly where I am. On my way to Killarley, going to Melville. This is the supercell you just seen in the middle of the Qu'Appelle Valley, so it looked very, very cool. I want to capture it. The edge. It's 8:07 p.m. I'm just documenting in case this actually does produce something, like storm-wise, then I keep chasing. It's looking pretty right now, though. I'm heading north towards Melville, and this system is to my west, as you've seen on radar. Screenshot. Front goes all the way around. Nothing there. It's 8:39 p.m. You're looking to the west to the storm that's between Ituna and Kelleher area. It's insane amount of scud. I think it's tornado warned right now. Rotation yeah, velocity scan is very messy, so I'm unsure. And this looks very, like, that's scud, that's not a rotation. Looks cool though. Definitely not tornadic. The scudding. Not much of a story. What is this, 9:30 p.m.?
I'm going to take just a regular photo here where I was again, just to show you. Yeah, that's a funnel. I'm going to get this right now.
I think you're straight west of me from that screenshot you sent me.
I think so.
I'm to your east.
There you go. Yeah, if you look there, there's a small funnel just off the left-hand side of the photo there. Didn't last long. Didn't come down all the way. It could have been.
Ooh, I think I just heard hail. Oh, that's a nice shot. I was kind of looking at that. I was kind of watching that corner too.
It looks like it's cycling. I think we're going to get a new wall cloud on the south side here. It's moved to the north. Okay, so now this should be. I'm at the Birmingham grid.
Okay. What? It's 9:39 p.m. heading west on Banner Road. Ooh. Wall cloud or not? Oh.
Yeah. I can't tell now. It's gone where I am. All I can see is rain. I think whatever it is might be freaking almost right on top of me now.
This road and then another one a little bit to the south. But I can't tell if that's just the cloud or if that's, I can't tell from here. But one's kind of like a bucket bowl and one looks like a developing wall cloud.
Yeah. Yeah, I know which one you're talking about now.
You see it? Okay.
I'm out of the rain. Yeah. I came across two bear in front of me about a half an hour ago.
Of course you did.
Nice, beautiful blonde one and a black one.
Oh yeah.
Yes, they were. I think I spooked them too quick.
Yeah, I can see two edges.
another probably mile and then come across. I'm going to be in the bush here right away. That's a beautiful house.
Thanks.
Okay. How goes it?
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Oh my gosh.
I think we're under a tornado warning again.
Yeah, I know we are.
I can see it better on my camera, so I'm looking on my camera. You can
Yeah.
see there's an arc right there.
I know.
I don't know. I can't necessarily see with my own eyes though, but
Yeah, I know. It's 'tis the season.
right in the corner there.
Yeah,
Is that like rising scud?
it is.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
See, so it's flooding in Melville or what?
Only back now it's flooded.
Oh wow.
Like it, yeah, like lots of rain. I'll check the fridge, but I don't really know.
Yeah, that is lowering, I think. Now, tough to tell. Need another flash of lightning there.
Okay, well let me know if you see anything cool.
Okay,
Okay, goodbye.
goodbye.
With my own eyes, I can't.
No, I can't see either.